Big Macintosh, you can't follow me. Go home. Go home.
This is what I am trying to do.
Okay.
When I brought you here, I thought our late-night chit-chats were over.
Actually, Spike, I never asked you to take me here.
Then why are you keep saying you need me, Spike? You need me.
I just wanted you to come back from home to Equestria.
What? What did you say?
Spike, Equestria is part of your soul and you've lived alone without it.
But I don't want to go back to Equestria.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. Okay, that's enough. It's time to stop this dream.
Good night, Big Macintosh. That's better.
Nice try, but I'm not done yet.
Why do you think you were so happy and sweet up Lakers? What do you think? What did you smell when you went on our road?
But
Face the truth. You know what you want.
after all, I can't forget everything in the world and return to Equestria because Big Macintosh said it's so.
I do not just work on the farm. I am that you are feeling, and what's in your heart.
I'm...
You're what?
I'm you.
Hello, Spike. I'm going to the market. Any wishes?
Just one. I want to go back to Equestria!